Hi there, if you want to dive into digital drawing like this, then you absolutely cannot miss out on today's Procreate Beginner tutorial. To get you started, all you need are iPad, Apple Pencil, and Procreate. And then tap the plus icon in the upper right corner to create a new canvas. Then hit the photo icon to select your canvas size. For now, I'm going with the random size that's already available. First thing first, pick the brush tool and draw a circle in the center of the canvas. Drag the shape and tweak it until it looks right for you. Don't worry if your hand shakes a little bit while drawing. Small distortions in the curve will be auto-fixed by Procreate. By the way, you can easily adjust the canvas size on the screen by pinching and spreading with two fingers. The two buttons on the left of the canvas adjust the brush size and the transparency. The bigger the number, the thicker the brush. For example, compare 54% to 20%. You can see a significant difference in the thickness. The second button adjusts transparency, like how intense your brush strokes appeared on paper. Slide it down for more transparent brush. When your shape is closed without gaps, you can simply drag and drop to fill it with color. But if your brush is too transparent, it might cover the entire canvas rather than just filling your shape. The first button in the upper right corner is for layers. Select a layer and swipe left to delete it. It erases the contents on that particular layer without messing up anything else. I'll explain more about layer in another video. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments below. See you next one.